Good morning, everyone. This is Brad Matheny. This is a quick little update regarding the markets and what is going on today. First, we're going to go over the TTScanner data. We're still looking at some very solid upward triggers. These are the TTScanner daily results. The markets have moved into a very solid bullish trending mode. As you can see, pretty much everything is long. We have protective stops in place. You can see we've had some very good results here. I won't be highlighting these every morning, just want to show you how things have played out. Whenever you get into the first target or second target, this is the first target here, or this is where you've got into two targets, both of them being pink, just reloaded here. So when you get into those targets, you really got to look at, pulling profits. When you get target one, you should pull half of your position off. When you get to target two, you should pull another half of your position off, whatever you have left. That way you have booked sufficient profits and you are then able to let the remainder run without too much difficulty. When you're looking at new triggers like this is where you have the most risk. This is a new trigger. This is off just a little bit. This is where you have the most risk. So you want to pay attention to what you're trading and how you're trading. Now, we come down here to the 5-minute data, and you'll notice a lot of symbols turned short at the end of the day yesterday. So you can see here that we're still daily in a moving uptrend. This is a 5-minute, and a lot of symbols have turned short, leaning more towards the downside in these algorithmic trading signals today. Same thing with the spiders. Spiders got XLI long as of yesterday, off a little bit, but 5-minute data, very little triggers. XLU long and XLV short, been in the trade for 69 bars. We've hit both targets. This is a great little trade. And this shows you again how, using these TTScanner algos, very, very clean for you to be able to, pick and trade. For example, I like to focus on the spider sectors simply because, the 60 minutes are rock solid, in my opinion. They give you very good triggers. They follow the general trend, keeps you out of the market during consolidation. Excuse me. And if you're what I call a gunslinger, really short term, and then come down here and watch the 2-minute data. For example, come back over here to these algos, sneezing again, and look at the 2-minute data. The 2-minute data is going to give you very quick trades, in and out. Okay, that's going to be in maybe 10-20 minutes. 5-minute data is going to give you trades that last anywhere from, call it 10 minutes to 2 hours. And these are generally, all in the one day. They don't have, very rarely carry a trade over 2 days on a 5-minute basis. On a 15-minute basis, yeah, you can carry trades over multiple days. It's not likely, but it can happen. And 60-minute, yeah, you'll carry trades 2-3 days sometimes. Like here's a trade that's been 18 bars going back to the 12th. 21 bars back to the 13th. That's 18 bars back to the 13th. But again, great numbers. 2.74%, 2.5%. Really good numbers. Really good returns overall. Couple of them, like this one, GDX, off 0.10%. They're not all perfect, meaning not every trade's 100% winner, but very solid move. Now, where we're at with the markets today is we are looking at this potential rolling top up here. Let me come in here and show you. We are looking at this rolling top. Let me move this up a little. Well, come in here. Come in here. Get to yellow. We're looking at this kind of rolling topping pattern, potentially rolling down into a deep move maybe back down into that 510, 520 area of the SPY. If my analysis is correct, we've rolled through all of this. We've actually moved deeper down here into this 480 area, rolled all the way up, and now we may be moving back down into 510, 520, 500 area. We'll see how this plays out, guys, because this could be a very big move and then could consolidate downward here over the next 2 months, 3 months into this rolling deep cycle low here around July and around October. So again, very, very important to pay attention to what's going on with the data. Currently, if we come back over here and look at the charts, you know, I'm expecting a pretty big downward bar today. Today we have the crush pattern, which is right here. Crush pattern in trending mode. We're bullish, explosive bullish. We are looking at a potential big breakdown today. I would urge you guys to stay cautious in the morning. Really watch this 575, 576, 577 area on the SPY. I think if we break below that, we could try to fill this gap and really start a big breakdown move. You know, potentially moving, as I showed you, down into, down into this area. 510, 520, right in this area. So that's the next kind of big move, in my opinion. We'll just see if we get any confirmation of it today. Okay, lastly, really appreciate all of you guys following me and paying attention to what I'm doing. Remember, come on over here to mint.com. Check out what I do. Today we're highlighting the gunslinger tools. You get these free with your subscription for Expert Growth. Expert Growth is very inexpensive. The gunslinger tools are fantastic little trading tools. You get the pressure indicator, you get the Bollinger Band indicator, you get the wave count system, you get the momentum systems in various forms here. These are included as TradingView gunslinger tools for Expert Growth subscribers. They're included when you join. Joining is very inexpensive, as you can see. $74.99 for a 60-day trial or $169.99 for a 6-month trial. Ideally, ladies and gentlemen, this is to teach you how to become a better trader. You're following my videos. You already understand what I do. You understand what I'm trying to teach you. But when you get into the Expert Growth members page right here, there is a ton of training for you to go through. Evaluating setups, the mechanics of trading, trading breakout flags, stick to your risk levels, learn by example. There is literally dozens of videos here to help you learn how to trade. Plus, I continue to deliver updated videos every week. So when you come over here and you come down to the video analysis, every week I deliver specific content and context related to what the market's going to be doing. So again, I want you to pay attention and please consider joining Expert Growth as a member. It's really worth it, and if you like what I do, you'll be A, supporting me, and B, gaining some knowledge and gaining some information as you're going forward. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Talk to you later.